All right, so I just want to start things off by thanking everyone for being here today. And I know myself and my team are extremely excited to show you guys what we got for you today. So furthermore, Tango Shoe Co. is an elite shoe brand that gives buyers a fashionable shoe that also offers comfort. To kick things off for Tango Shoe Company, a strong, powerful, big idea needed to be created. Our goal was to create a powerful message that will resonate with our consumers, forever, hopefully. So furthermore, the big idea is to design and create shoes that fits the human race. To start things off with targeting and marketing channels, I kind of want to give a brief description of what some of the buyers look like. Our target audience is males and females ranging from around 18 to 35 years of age. These individuals are people who are stylish and are into fashion, but also have that desire for comfort in a shoe. Tango Shoe Company has many goals as a company, primary and secondary. But in order to find those, we need to find our KPIs in order to track how well these campaigns really are doing for us. So our first primary objective was increasing online sales, and in order to measure that, we'll track the success of this through tracking traffic to the website, and we'll also give out an online poll to everyone who visits the website to see how customers are actually liking it. One of our secondary objectives was to generate more revenue, because why not? For this, we will track sales on the website as well as sales in stores. We will then compare that number to previous years in order to see if revenue is increasing as a company. For our last secondary objective, we wanted to simply build brand awareness, get the name out there, in order to really attract more people. And to do this, discover the KPI. We'll track engagements to our social media platforms, as well as track how much traffic is really on the website. So for social media marketing, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are our main platforms as of now. We feel that these platforms give us the greatest opportunity to reach out to our target audience. Pretty simple. Tango Shoe Co. purchases TV and radio ads, as well as the use of billboards for paid media. For our inbound strategy, we'll produce more personalized emails that will go out to our target audience, try to attract them. And these aren't going to be just regular emails, very personalized to the consumer. We're looking for people who really fit our target audience there. And so content offers to potential customers. We're going to give the potential customer a PDF link to pictures of a brand new product that is not even launched yet. No one has seen except for us. So we think that'll be really cool. We're also going to offer them a chance to pre-order that product. So that's a huge offer. The first ad campaign design that I would like to discuss is our Instagram campaign. We think we have a really good one here, and I'll tell you what it is. So for Instagram, we would like to pay the biggest influencers on the platform. People like Dan Bilzerian or a Summer Rae. Similar with Instagram, for Facebook, we'll be creating our own ads that will pop up in people's pages. The last campaign concept that we want to share is for Twitter. Twitter is also very similar to the Instagram campaign. We're going to be doing this through the use of influencers. Pay some of the most followed like pages that our target demographic identifies with, to post our content and get our name out there. Now, as a fairly large company, we obviously know how important advertising can be for us, especially in this market. With this being said, we're willing to spend about 15% of revenue on advertising. And we feel that building our social media presence is a huge goal of ours. And we feel that it is necessary to spend this in order to achieve that goal. Everything in the world is going digital. All the markets are going digital, and this is the next step for Tango Shoe Company to really succeed. So we think the sky is the limit with this new inbound marketing, if you will, campaign. And then to wrap things up, like I said, Tango Shoe Company is an elite brand. Its goal is to create shoes for everyone, fashionable but comfortable. And then our marketing team, myself and the rest of the team are extremely excited to start this new journey in advertising, and really can't wait for what the future holds for Tego Shuko.